We are in the #3 best city to live in United States. Welcome to Kirkland, Washington. This Seattle suburb could be best summarized as a family-friendly, community-focused town with great schools and ample employment opportunities. In today's video, we're going to give you a tour of Kirkland and all that it has to offer. We'll highlight some of the popular locations, so be sure to watch the whole video, and we will tell you why it's such a wonderful place to live, work, and play. Before we get started, let me tell you how to find Kirkland on the map. It is very conveniently located, and it's actually surrounded by Lake Washington on its western shore. And then north of us, it has Kenmore, Woodinville, and Bothell. We have Redmond to the east and Bellevue to the south. And my office is actually in downtown Bellevue, and it only took me 13 minutes to get here from downtown Bellevue to downtown Kirkland. So it's very conveniently located, and it's only about 15 to 20 minutes to downtown Seattle by 520 toll bridge. Right now, we're right in front of the Kirkland Google Urban Campus, and Google is just one of the many tech companies that call Kirkland home. In fact, a median household income in the city of Kirkland is $130,000, which is substantially higher than the national average. And good thing people make a lot of money here, because it is not cheap to live in Kirkland. If you're looking to rent, a one-bedroom apartment will run you around $2,000. And if you want to purchase a home in Kirkland, an average or a median sales price in Kirkland is $1.55 million. And shameless plug, my colleague Terry Allen and I recently had the most expensive house in Kirkland listed at $17 million, and it's now under contract. And if you haven't figured out by now, I am a realtor and my contact info is below. So reach out to me if you think of moving to the area. And let's keep going. You might have been thinking that Pacific Northwest is all rain and gloom, but look at us. It's the middle of October and we're on a sandy beach on the shores of Lake Washington. We're currently at the Juanita Beach Park, which is a public park at the northern tip of Lake Washington. And this is just one of many, many parks throughout Kirkland. In fact, more than 25% of lakefront that Kirkland has is covered with public parks and is accessible to everyone. Here as an example, Juanita Beach Park is a very popular destination. It's great to bring your family and your kids. It has a big playground, volleyball courts, over 1,000 feet of waterfront and these beautiful sandy beaches. It also has 2 big parking lots with over 200 parking stalls, so you don't have to worry about where to park. And during the summer months, every Friday, Juanita Farmers Market is hosted here, which is a great place to come and purchase some local produce. One other fun fact is that Costco Wholesale was actually started in Kirkland, Washington. And even though they have since moved their headquarters to Issaquah, they still have retained the widely popular Kirkland signature brand. And we're wrapping up our tour right in downtown Kirkland, right in the heart of it all. We're still just a few short steps away from Lake Washington and all of the great parks that we talked about. And here in downtown Kirkland, you'll find endless coffee shops, great restaurants, and very cute boutique stores. Another thing that's really cool about Kirkland and makes it special is that it's extremely walkable, meaning there are sidewalks and bike paths all throughout Kirkland that makes it very pedestrian friendly. So it's a great area to come enjoy a beautiful day like we have today, walk around, get some sunshine, and check out beautiful Lake Washington. Now, I always end every video with some food recommendations. So Drew and I actually gonna grab a bite at Cactus, which is my favorite Mexican restaurant, and they have location here in downtown Kirkland. And also, if you had something big to celebrate or wanted to check out a really fancy place, you should check out Juanita Cafe. Juanita Cafe is very popular and it consistently ranks in the top 100 restaurants in North America. And we have it here right in our backyard. So thank you for watching this video. As always, I try my best to give you a high-level overview and a taste of what Kirkland is all about, but there's just too much to cover in a short video like this. So if you're interested about anything specific, want to see a specific neighborhood, if you have some questions about the housing market, feel free to reach out. My contact information is below. And also, please be sure to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more of these.